Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Hannah and I like to talk about healthy foods here, and a lot of my videos from January of this year to September have been about healthy eating mostly and the Weight Watchers program. So I'm not affiliated with the Weight Watchers program at all. I have done the Weight Watchers program for years, as a lot of you have known, if you are not new here. So I do want to give you a recap of what the past month and a half has been for my eating habits and where I'm at. If you've seen me on Instagram, you probably have seen some recent posts. I'm not really active there though, so but I do participate in the stories on a regular basis, or try to, but it's not really my main focus, nor is YouTube. That's why I only post once a week. But let me get to the point. I have lost a total of 12 pounds since, I don't remember. That's really bad. I'll write the date down here. Today is October 3rd. So it's been probably 7 weeks. I might have that wrong. And so my goal was to get these extra 10 pounds off, but that wasn't the primary goal. It started out with me not feeling very well as far as like inflammation, and I was wondering, hey, is there a way I can help myself out by changing some eating habits? And yes, I made a post about that, and I actually could have written more, but I got right to the point and hit some major topics. So anyways, dairy, gluten, refined sugars, and coffee has made a huge difference in my life, and it's really helped my cravings, and I would say that's non-existent now, and I'm just on the right path of making good food choices and thinking, okay, I'm really hungry right now. What do I want? And I would immediately think of something like, oh, there's an apple cider donut on the counter over there, but now I'm just like, nah, I'll grab a date. A date is like my go-to. I love dates. So that's been what's up for me, and I just wanted to come on and share that is a success, and I'm not tracking my points anymore. It's all tracked up here. I am not using the Weight Watchers app, and I made a decision actually based off of some of you that have left me comments or even DMs about Weight Watchers and the program, and I thought, you know what, let me see how this goes. I'm not tracking anyways much anymore. Let me see if I can do away with the app and see what life brings. So I know a lot of the points, and I've told you this before, maybe in a couple other videos, that I write down on my food items, like packages and stuff, or even in an old journal that I have, what all of the foods are labeled. And I had to change some over when we went from the freestyle plan years ago to the blue plan, which I would say I'm on. So I stopped using the Weight Watchers app. That's fine. And I think that I've talked to a few of my friends about this, and I thought I would mention it to you. I've used iTrack Bites. It is a free app. I've used that for years, and I go back and forth between Weight Watchers and iTrack Bites. And I've recommended it to a handful of people that have asked, and because they don't want to make the financial commitment, and I understand that completely, because Weight Watchers is usually $19.95 a month, but they have deals and things like that. So I don't want to get into that because I don't represent the program at all. So anyway, iTrack Bites is something that I'm using, and I love how they have the scanner. I don't think they had the scanner tool built in when I first downloaded that, and I know it's been over 5 years since I downloaded that app. So anyways, that's what's working for me, but I don't track my points anymore because I'm sticking to the same kind of diet along the way. My meals consist of like 5 or 7 different meals, and so on, that kind of pattern. So I have it all in my head, and hey, it really helps when you don't have a lot of cravings. And I'm being mindful of when we do go somewhere or we leave home, I package up my foods, or if I know I'm going to someone's house, they know what I eat, and a lot of times they eat a lot like me, like with just a bunch of fruits and vegetables on hand. So anyway, I just wanted to give you an update on that. So that's been going really well. Comment down below, let me know where you're at in your journey, and I just wanted to mention that and give you a whole recap of where I'm at. I think next week I'm going to bring up a topic that's been on my mind, so be ready for next week's video. I upload now consistently every Monday, so yay. Thanks so much for being part of the small community that we have here, and I hope you have a great day.